माननीय सभासद, माननीय सभापति जी।
Question 46. Question number 46, Amar Shankar Sable. Where is the member?
Sir.
Please, Minister, Defense Minister. Supplementary.
सभापति महोदय, क्या रक्षा मंत्री आपके माध्यम से बताने की कृपा करेंगे कि मिसिंग और डिसेबल रक्षा कर्मियों के बच्चों के लिए क्या सुविधा केंद्र सरकार की तरफ से दी जाती है?
To you, I would like to inform the House and honorable member, the education concession for children of armed forces officers and personnel missed, disabled, and killed in action, based on the decisions taken on 7 CPC recommendation. The following concessions are given.
I have already told you in the morning that it has been admitted. It's coming up tomorrow. I don't know. And 168 is not permissible as per the rules, and that cannot be said in the House like this. You know the system. Please.
Sir,
the
full
sense of the House is House should function and take up the business as stated. Supplementary.
Sir,
Please
full
go to
reimbursement of tuition fees, which is not inclusive of capitation fee and caution money. Charges levied for the school bus maintained by the school or actual fares paid by the railway pass bus fare for the students certified by the head of the institute. There is a provision of full reimbursement of hostel charges for those studying in boarding school and colleges. Cost of book and stationery up to the 2,000 per annum per student. Cost of uniform, if compulsory, 2,000 is given. Cost of clothing up to 700 per annum per student is given. And the above will be admissible only for students undertaking studies in the government-aided school, educational institute, military, science schools, and other schools or colleges recognized by central or state government. It is available for the school-going children from 2 classes prior to the first class up to the inclusive of the first degree course.
Okay. Second supplementary.
सभापति महोदय, एक्स रक्षा कर्मचारियों के बच्चों के लिए और कौन सी सुविधा मिलती है और पीएम स्कॉलरशिप का उनको कैसा लाभ मिलता है?
मिनिस्टर.
Sir, Prime Minister Scholarship was introduced from academic year 2006 to 2007 to encourage higher technical and professional education for the dependent wards of ex-servicemen, ex-coast guard personnel and their widows, below the officer's rank only, and dependent wards, widows of ex-servicemen, ex-coast guard personnel who died disabled in harness due to cause attributed to military service, coast guard service, irrespective of the rank. From academic year 2015 to 16, total 5,500 students are selected. Eligible courses, first professional degree courses like BE, BTech, BDS, MBBS, BEd, BBA, BCA, B Pharma, etc. only recognized by the respective government regulatory body. Master degree courses are not eligible except MBA, Management, MCA courses. Students studying abroad and distance learning courses also not eligible. Candidate must have...
Okay, you place all the information on the table of the House. So that next supplementary, Sri Bhattacharya ji. Please.
Government of India.
Vijay Reddy, Prabhakar Reddy, all of you please sit down.
Defense Ministry.
Honorable members,
the proper steps
I have only 2 options.
For the
whether I run the House like this
students
or
of the
adjourn the House. The
central
choice is yours.
schools, so that
Okay. Right. Thank you.
sir, whole
notice, sir.
problem is this. In different places we have seen that the student of the government, the students of the defense ministry, those who are working, those who are reading in a different school, they are not getting the proper place after passing the school final exam or the higher exam. They have no scope. Now government has, I like to know from the government whether they have any arrangements about that.
Minister.
Chairman, sir. I would like to request the honourable member, because of noise I could not get question properly. Would you please repeat? Request.
Chairman, sir.
Please go to your seat. This is not the
Chairman,
way.
sir.
Please, this lady, please go.
Sir.
That is a school.
Your mic. Are you in your seat? आप अपना सीट में है? बोलिए.
Sir,
Now बोलिए.
in Purulia, there is a school for the defense boys and girls. Not girls, boys. But girls are now admitted. From my MP area development fund, I have given them more than 50 lakhs.
Question, please.
My simple things are like this. When I question them, why you are not taking more boys and girls in this institution, they say they have not the proper money and other facilities. Now I would like to know from the government of India Defence Ministry, can they inspect this school and to make some arrangement so that they can get the facilities?
Right. Minister.
Is it a Sainik school?
Sir, he is talking about the Sainik school admissions. This is totally different question. The original question is regarding the concessions provided to the defense personnel in the service, officers rank, and the ex-servicemen. Now this is a Sainik school.
Is a Purulia a Sainik school?
It is a Sainik school.
Right. Okay. Next supplementary, Sri Raju Chandrasekhar.
Sir, may I, since the question pertains to introducing new facilities for education of children of defense personnel, I just seek an assurance from the ministry that especially for those personnel who are serving away from their families, that there is no shortage of access to education for the children of those personnel.
True, I would like to give the information to honorable member as well as house. See, the children's education allowance for serving defense officer and personnel, so we have provided enough. That is the 2,250 rupees per month towards the reimbursement of children education allowance. 6,750 per month towards the reimbursement of the hostel subsidy. Above limit would be automatically raised by 25% every time the dearness allowance on revised pay structure goes above 50%.
Right.
The amount will be double for differently able children, and the reimbursement will be done once a year after the completion of the financial orders.
Right. Sri Subhashis Chakravarti.
How many children are being supported?
Nothing else will go on record. This slogan, shouting and all. That is the practice. Everybody, please take note. Neither the electronic media nor the print media.
Supported through the education concession after the decision was made. How many children yet to be covered by the educational concession? Sir, how many children are yet to be covered by educational concession?